Hey you, I'm here in outer space to tell you that the confidence you lost because of Pectus carinatum is soon going to be restored. Back before Pectus carinatum, back before all of this, I was so much more confident. I used to be the kid that the girls would all chase me around the playground, and I would run away from them and they would all chase me down and say, "You're going to be my boyfriend." When I got to high school and I turned 15 on my 15th birthday and my chest became really bumpy, everything changed. Sorry guys, this is hard. Suddenly, the girls didn't chase me around the playground anymore. Suddenly, I wasn't the guy that everybody wanted to be anymore. But then I discovered the Cline Methodology. And the Cline Methodology helped me get out of my tough times because it taught me how to have a new type of confidence and not to focus on looks and to focus on the functionality of my body. And that's what we're all about here on this Pigeon Chest channel. We're all about focusing on the functionality of our bodies and making them athletic, and we don't worry about looks. And if you're somebody who wants to go to the gym and not work out any stabilizer muscles and do the same 10 exercises your whole life and never be able to run a mile without gasping and wheezing, and never be able to swim well, never be able to fight well, never be able to do anything besides push weights, then this channel's not for you. But if you are someone who cares about making the functionality of their body better, then this channel is for you. How's that sound? Why, that sounds amazing! I decided after I found the Cline Methodology, which I invented, and I began to climb all the time, and then I began to do jujitsu all the time, and I realized that my body can do everything that it needs to do, and that's all that I can ask of it, and that if I'm focusing on looks, that's a waste of my time. And that's what we're all about here on the Pigeon Chest channel. Well, that sounds amazing. Thank you so much again to the Pigeon fam for watching another episode of Pigeon Chest Uncensored. Pigeon Chest, where we don't tell you what you want to hear, but what you need to hear. Go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stop in again sometime soon if you're lost, lonely, or if you want more groundbreaking content on how to improve your body with Pectus carinatum the right way.